This brand is made in Canada and features ventilators with backward curved impellers which collect less dust and MERV6 washable filters. They have intelligent defrost at 23 degrees and below where the supply fan is shut off to defrost the core. The units have independent motor speed adjustments for system balancing so that balancing dampers are not required. The ES095 models have side ports for duct connections and a 96 CFM capacity, while the ES115E model has a 133 CFM capacity. The ES160 model has top ports for duct connections with a 159 CFM capacity, while the SE182 model has a 212 CFM capacity. It is not very easy to buy them and their guarantee is only average when compared to other brands. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.